Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So in the episode we got this cool amusement right here, and basically what this is an oscillating desk fan. So this is what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up and show you guys what's included inside. So once you guys open up, this is what the inside looks like. So let's take everything out. So first thing inside right here, they do provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use it. And then right here, they provide you guys a cable that you can use to recharge the product, which is USB to USB-C. And then last but not least, we do have the actual product. So let's take it out. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So if you see the front part right here, we do have the brand logo. If you see the product, it is a foldable design. So if you guys open up, this is what the product looks like. So you do have the option to play around with this however you guys want to and angle in different positions. You can see how far it can go this way. And also for the top one as well. And like I mentioned, for the product, it is an oscillating option, so the fan does move left and right. So inside right here is the fan, and the bottom part right here is the button. So once you guys press on it one time, that will turn it on. So they mentioned for the product, there's 4 different speed levels on here. So this is 1. If you guys press on again, here is 2. Press on again. Here is 3. Press on again. And here is 4. So 4 is kind of like a sleep mode option. And if you guys press on again, it turns off. And the way how you guys turn on the oscillating option is actually pretty easy. So you guys turn it on. If you guys long press it for a few seconds, it starts moving by itself left and right. So it doesn't really go that far, but actually give you guys a pretty good distance, especially if you guys just use it as a desk fan. So that is how you guys use the fan right here. If you guys can see on the side right here is where you guys want to plug in the cable to recharge it. And the bottom part, you can see they do have like a non-slip material. So that way when you guys do put it on a flat surface or a table, it won't move around. And supposedly for the front part right here, for the cover, you do have the option to twist it and take it out to clean it if you guys need to. And then once you guys are done, you can close it back up. Just like that. And if you guys notice when we do use the product, it is pretty quiet. It's not loud at all. And in terms of the battery life that's on here, they mentioned on one full charge, it can give you guys roughly around 7 hours of usage. And that is if you guys use it in low speed level. But once you guys are done using it, or if you guys want to put it away, you can definitely fold it back up really easily like this. And it's all set. So now let me just plug in the cable to show you guys how to charge it. Alright, so I got my cable right here. If you guys plug it in, once you guys plug it in, if you can see the light that turns on right here, so that is how you guys know when it's charging. And I'm assuming once the light changes to a different color or change to green or something, that is how you guys know when it's fully charged. So if it's your first time using the product, you definitely want to fully charge it before you guys use it. And if you guys try to turn it on when you guys do have it plugged in, it still works as well. So you definitely have the option to use it wired or wireless. And if you guys notice, the one that we got right here is a white color. They also have this available in a green color as well. So if you guys prefer that, you guys can get that instead. Now let me show you guys how powerful the wind is when you guys do use it. So this is speed level 1. So you can barely feel anything on here if you guys do put it back. If you guys change speed level 2, speed level 2 is slightly more stronger, if you can see. If you guys turn speed level 3, speed level 3 is definitely much more powerful. And when you guys do feel the wind, it actually feels pretty nice, especially when you guys turn on speed level 3. And I do like how quiet the product is when you guys do use it, especially on level 3, which is pretty awesome. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality portable mini desk fan that has a similar design that's on here where it's actually foldable and also give you guys an awesome option as well, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.